Hi, my name is Lorena Caires. I work for Jaguar Land Rover. My role is as a lead engineer. I am responsible for the next gen of propulsion or electric drive units manufacturing in developing new processes and new technologies that pushes the boundaries of what manufacturing can do to drive robust and sustainable processes. Being part of the top 100 and especially the top 20 exemplar mainly validates three things to me. The first one is be authentic to who you are and try your best every day. The second one is be honest and kind to others and use those as your superpowers to not skip difficult conversations because they lead to better outcomes. And the third one is stay curious and be impact driven and always seek for feedback whenever you can, because there might be blind spots or better ways of doing things that you may have missed, and feedback will enable you to reflect and do better every time. My first role in manufacturing was back in 2010 when I was a senior manufacturing systems engineering student back in Brazil. I worked for a sports goods manufacturer in Brazil, one of the biggest companies on the sector. And from 14 years ago and now, what I really see is the level of responsiveness, customization in products, and in traceability of process, and all the way from product creation to delivery to customer. The increasing levels on these three aspects are really leading for companies to adopt more technologies throughout the entire end-to-end process of product creation and development and delivery, as well as more agile frameworks that would enable the higher levels of responsiveness, which poses on being more competitive in the market to meet customer demands. Stay curious. If you want a dynamic environment, fast-paced change environment, manufacturing do enable that. The level of complexity in terms of understanding the end-to-end picture and how that helps decision-making at the process level at the manufacturing shop floor is really interesting and very exciting for me. So if people out there are challenge-driven and impact-driven, manufacturing brings great opportunity, portfolio of opportunities for them to try out and experience and come with a mindset where they really can develop further and evolve and grow in the environment. So stay curious, be challenge-driven, be impact-driven, and manufacturing will definitely not disappoint you.